They're very creamy and smooth and good. All I know is, and because I don't know the exact recipe, is peanut butter, cream cheese, butter, and sugar. We do coconut, we do buttercream, and we do peppermint. And all of the flavors, peanut butter, coconut, buttercream, and peppermint, are done with milk, dark, and white chocolates. A lot of fun, but a lot of craziness too, trying to keep up with it. Yeah, we just try to keep moving and get it done.
The recipe plus the love that Our Lady's put into making them. Does that make sense?
She's also got a picture of the paper. She'll sign it for you too.